Hey, so we're going to review the parts of an expression. We're going to start by training it up. And again, you start it from the back and include the sign. So everything now is in a box, and everything in a box is a term. So we have 3x, y, 2x, and 3y. So we are going to do our like terms. Remember, those are the ones with the same variable with the same exponent. So we have 3x and 2x. Those are like terms. Also, we have y and 3y. Those are also like terms. So you can have two sets of like terms. Coefficients. We have 3, 2, and 3. I hope you're saying, Miss Townsend, you forgot the 1. Remember, anything in front of a variable is a coefficient. So we have one more coefficient, and we have none for constants. There's nothing without a variable for this one. Looking at this next one, we're going to again train it up from the back. So we have 4 terms. We have t, 3y, 2y, and 3. Like terms, anything with a variable that are the same, so 3y and 2y. But remember, we actually can combine, which we'll talk about later in the day, we can combine, and they are like terms of 7 and 3 are also like terms. We have 2 sets of like terms. 7 and 3 are like terms because they're both constants. So my coefficients are 3 and 2, and my constants are 7 and 3. If you ever have on your list more than one constant, remember they are also like terms. Okay, we're going to train it up. Okay, so we have 7y, y, 2y, 4, and 2. And you can have more than 2 like terms. So here we have everything with a y is a like term. So we have 7y, y, and 2y. Those are all like terms. And then in addition, another set is 4 and 2 are also like terms because they're both constants. Our coefficients are 7. We have an indivisible 1, a 2, and then we have our constants of 4 and 2. So here we're going to train it up. So we have x, we have x, we have x, and we have x. So then our like terms are also all x's because they're all x's. And remember, we each have a coefficient of 1 in front of all of them. And we have none for constants. Here we go, train it up. So we have 2x for z, z, x, and 2x. So for the x's, we've got 2x, 2x, and x. And then we also have 4z and z. So our coefficients are 2, 4, 1, 1. Remember those invisible ones. And 2. And then constants, we have none. So for this one, we're going to train it up starting from the back. Oops, got to make sure I include that sign. So our terms are 3x squared, 2x, x squared, and 4x are like terms. Remember, like terms have to have the same variable with the same exponent. So we all have x's, but not with the same exponent. So our like terms are 3x squared and x squared. Those two have the same variable with the same exponent of 2. And then we have 2x and 4x are also like terms, but all 4 of these are not the same. It's these 2 are the same and these 2 are the same. So we have 2 sets of like terms. Coefficients of 3, 2, remember your invisible 1, and 4, and we have no constants.